Hey there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to work the double herringbone stitch. So for this one, you need a first layer of herringbone stitch, and if you don't know how to do that, that's okay, because the double herringbone is essentially doing 2 layers on top of itself. So we'll do one, and then you could do another one on top of it. But we want to bring our needle up on one side of our row here. We then go across our first layer of herringbone stitch, and then bring our needle up slightly behind that first stitch. And when we do our double layer, we're going down inside that V space we have for our other layer of herringbone stitch there. And then we go across to the other side there. Again, come back up slightly behind that stitch we did along our line, and then again we go across to the other side, come up slightly behind, across to the other side, come up slightly behind, across to the other side again, and then come up slightly behind and across again. And that is our double herringbone stitch. So you can see it's 2 layers of herringbone stitch that overlap one another. Have fun working this stitch.